October 4th marks the kickoff to National Fire Prevention Week, and this year's theme is all about safety in the kitchen. According to the National Fire Prevention Association, cooking is the leading cause of home fires and home fire injuries in the United States. Almost half of the reported home fires started in the kitchen. 2/3 of home cooking fires start with the ignition of food or other cooking materials. I have personally seen many homes damaged and people injured by fires that easily could have been prevented. Here are some safety tips to keep you and your family safe as you prepare meals. Never leave cooking food unattended. Stay in the kitchen while you are frying, grilling, or broiling. If you have to leave, even for a short time, turn off the stove. If you are simmering, baking, roasting, or boiling food, check it regularly. Remain at home while your food is cooking and use a timer to remind you that you are cooking. You need to be alert when cooking. You won't be alert if you are sleepy, have taken medicine or drugs, or consumed alcohol that makes you drowsy. Always keep an oven mitt and pan lid nearby when you're cooking. If a small grease fire starts, slide the lid over the pan to smother the flame. Turn off the burner and leave the pan covered until it is completely cool. Have a kid-free zone of at least 3 feet around the stove in areas where hot food or drink is prepared or carried. For helpful tips on keeping you and your family safe and fire emergency ready, please visit nfpa.org. Thank you, Blue Island.